eligibility is another big component that we've been getting asked about. And I know a lot of you already have the eligibility feature within HelloNote, but I want to kind of showcase it for those that don't use it or don't have it. So let me bring a screenshot into view here. So this is something I ran right before the meeting. So just to show you that it has a lot of data that you can get just by clicking a button, right? This is actually a private insurance. This is Cigna, right? So I took out, of course, the patient information, but you can see here, it tells you exactly what's covered in network, out of network, therapy limits, out of pocket, whatever it is. So please use this. I mean, checking eligibility is such a big component of running a practice. If you are insurance-based, of course, you can use this to simply run eligibility. I think it takes a couple of seconds to generate the report. And then on the bottom right, there is a button called upload. You can always upload this to the patient's chart for future reference. Also, this works with Medicare. So with Medicare, it's going to show you like home health, if there's Medicare Advantage, deductible, all of that. So please, if you are not using it yet, consider using it because it's going to save you a ton of time. And we are going to be adding secondary eligibility as well. Okay, so we're going to be adding another button for secondary eligibility. Majority of insurances are already working. If there's an insurance that it does not work for, just let us know. We will tell our vendor, and they will do their best to add that insurance. But yes, I do encourage using this feature here.